The creative process frequently begins with a sense of uncertainty. This uncertainty is symbolized by an empty whiteboard. The initial blank state represents the potential for innovation. It also embodies the challenge of generating new ideas. Effective brainstorming requires suspending judgment to activate imagination. The primary goal is to record all ideas without censorship or premature evaluation. Focus on generating a high quantity of ideas rather than immediate quality. This approach encourages a free and unrestricted flow of thoughts and concepts. Innovation is enhanced through collaborative team environments. Teams should focus on building upon each other's ideas to generate novel concepts. Combining diverse perspectives is crucial for enhancing initial concepts. Collective evolution of ideas leads to more robust and innovative solutions. SCAMPER is a structured creativity technique used to generate new ideas. It prompts users to consider different actions related to an existing product or problem. The acronym SCAMPER stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to other uses, eliminate, and reverse. Each action encourages a different way of thinking about the subject. By systematically applying these prompts, users can unlock innovative solutions. SCAMPER provides a framework for exploring various creative possibilities. The substitution technique involves replacing elements within a product or process. Substitution can lead to innovative features or reduced costs. Consider replacing materials with more sustainable options. This enhances environmental responsibility and potentially lowers material expenses. The combine step in SCAMPER involves merging two distinct ideas or elements. This combination aims to create a new, hybrid solution that leverages the strengths of both original components. One common application is integrating a physical product with a digital application. This integration can significantly enhance the functionality and user experience of the physical product. The combined approach often leads to innovative solutions that would not be possible with either element alone. The SCAMPER technique involves adapting existing ideas to new contexts. Adapting an idea can lead to innovative solutions for different problems. This approach leverages existing knowledge in novel ways. Technology from space exploration can be adapted for medical diagnostics. This cross-application demonstrates the power of adaptation. Adaptation fosters innovation by repurposing existing solutions. The SCAMPER technique involves modifying aspects of a product or service to enhance its performance. Modification can lead to improvements in efficiency and functionality. Altering an engine's design to increase its efficiency is an example. This demonstrates how strategic modifications can yield tangible performance benefits. SCAMPER is a checklist that helps you think of changes you can make to an existing product to create a new one. Eliminate focuses on removing parts of the product, service, or process. Eliminating unnecessary features can streamline a product. This streamlining reduces costs, such as removing redundant steps in a manufacturing process. Creativity is a skill that can be developed and enhanced over time. Consistent practice is key to improving creative abilities. Engaging in regular creative thinking exercises is beneficial. These exercises help in generating innovative ideas more effectively. Practice also improves the ability to find creative solutions. Therefore, dedicated practice is essential for boosting creativity.